What is up, people? Welcome to another Fosterman's Potential Play. Let's get right into it. So we had two yesterday. No, we actually had quite a few yesterday, right? But we had two that actually got tapped, which was this one right here, okay? Remember what I said, you look at them as zones. What do you do when we hit this level? When we approach this level, what do? We look at the footprint. That's exactly what we do. So congratulations for getting that one right. But yes, so we had this one right here and this one right here. We actually had two taps of this, right? Obviously that would have been a really tough one to trade for most of you guys. But, you know, looking into it a wee bit further and stuff like that, you could have probably sussed out that this might be a little bit of an area of support, right? You had this huge imbalance right here, plus this POC. So we could have just supported off here. Realistically, right, like just monitoring the order flow and stuff like that is key. You know, really decent. And then obviously when we hit this for a third time, you know, hitting that wasn't really, you know, we didn't hit it on high volume, right? There wasn't a lot of, you can see here, right? As soon as we touched this, we got boom, 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 straight down, right? And then even when we approached it up at these highs, right, there was a lot of buying volume. I was watching this in the time. There was a lot of buying volume coming in, but then no follow through. So it was just clear absorption, on the footprint chart. So yeah, just monitoring this sort of area, right? As well as that when we first tested it again, we got this little, tiny reaction, but there's, you know, nothing to write home about. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have still a couple left. That's going to be nice and cool. There is the 5-minute plays. I'm not gonna lie, there are very few 5-minute plays. You know, that are actually worth taking. Right? Nice. Yeah. Okay, and this is very, very close. This is, you know, a little too close for comfort, but we'll mark it. So there's literally, I'll mark this one at the top as well because it's kind of there. But other than that, I would not mark anything else. I wouldn't mark, guys. I wouldn't mark it. So there's them 5 minutes. Right, that's nice and simple. Let's just get on the chart what else. So this one was gone, this one is gone. Okay, let's go to the 30-minute. Again, there was literally nothing. I think something like up here might be worth marking it. Yeah. Let's chill. So we actually do have a 30-minute today. Woo. Not usual. We got one of these. Okay, let's check these daily POCs. Okay. Just check, make sure. Okay. So there's no naked daily points of control. This weekly was, we got a nice tap off it, right? If we just scroll back here, you'll see. So this one right here, but it's gone. We got that. Remember what I always say, if we break it with high volume, expect the retest to be nice. And we did. We broke it with high volume and the retest was nice. So, right. And then naked sessions. Right. Okay. So this Asia can be moved. Asia POCs, by the way, if you guys are in the mix, you will know how freaking powerful these are at the moment. Wow, and that's going to be it. Okay, so let's see these fives. Okay, so we have a 30 or a 5 in an Asia. So let's just mark this out. Just mark this on the 5-minute. Oh, plus Asia POC. So that's nice. There's a little bit too much fluff up here. Yesterday I could actually show you what we hit. Was it here? Uh-oh. I can't remember. Okay. Right, but there is, there it is right here. So you can see yesterday, Wednesday. That was a really nice play. So I know a few guys took it. I took it as well, so it was nice. And this was as well, like this Asia POC down here. They just give constant, like this one right here, boom, 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 Again, we broke this one and then just retested. Okay, I'm just yapping, man. I'm just yapping. Right. Honestly, I'll mark this one out. Let me just double check. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'll mark this one out. And just to, better to have it, not need guys. Right, so previous month, VWAP, +1. To be fair, this is actually not a +1. That's standard deviation last week. Okay, so that is going to be it. Let's hide everything. Let's hide it all. Let's get all this off the chart. And let's see what we're working with today. Okay, so we got a range point of control, and we got a range point of control in Asia POC plus previous month VWAP up there. These are pretty far. I don't think these will get hit anytime soon, so I'll just read out the local ones. So we got 3394 psychological level. This could be strong. 33737. We got 33559. You could mark this 3356 psychological. You could have that as that, so just be careful. And then 32976. That's the only numbers I would give out today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.